Hey everybody, welcome to this week's episode of Nisha Be Cooking. I'm back with J.Hill. Hey.
What's up, everybody?
Representing Mo Please Cuisine.
Mo Please, everybody. What's up, everybody? I'm in the kitchen with Nisha. So.
Today we're making some salmon croquettes. Okay, salmon croquettes.
See, there we go.
So we're going to show y'all how to whip that up and some easy mac and cheese. All right, y'all ready?
Super easy, super cheesy mac and cheese. Hey, there we go. Put in a bowl, drain it off. 2 eggs. Go ahead and crack the eggs.
Sure. Yeah.
This is like a cup, so we're gonna use a half a cup of celery, 2 tablespoons of garlic, half a cup of onions. Then we mix.
Yeah, should I mix it?
Oh yeah, you
with my
got
hands?
this. With your hands, get up in there.
Wash my hands again, real good, real quick.
Get up in there.
So, I don't know how to make this either. I'm learning from him. Just right along with y'all. We learning together.
All right.
Can I do a little dance with you?
You can do a little dance with it.
Yeah.
Y'all can do a little dance with it. Put a little love into it. Can I do a little dance with it? Put a little love in there.
It actually smells good.
Add this in there.
With the famous Mo Please seasoning.
Yeah.
Y'all make sure y'all place y'all orders.
Make sure you place the orders for the Mo Please seasoning.
Yes.
We got sweet lemon pepper and original.
Ooh, season my hand.
There we go. So what you wanted to have a consistency of like almost like ground beef. Because what you wanted to do is bind together. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's what you want to do. You want to start making balls like that size.
So it's good enough mix?
Yes, that's good enough to mix. It's perfect. Bam. Just do 1 ladle of cooking oil. Put this cornmeal open right here. Just fish fry, standard fish fry. Nice little press, because you want them thick. It's already cooked. You gotta think it's already cooked, so you don't have to like
do that much.
Yeah, you don't have to. All we trying to do is get like a little sear on the outside, so it can be like really good and really crispy and really light on the inside. Yeah, so just set it in there like
just throw it in there
like you would a burger. Yeah. Bam.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Don't be scared of that oil, boy.
Yeah, I burned my little thumb over here.
All right, do that.
All right, y'all, here we have it. Learning from the chef himself, Chef J.Hill.
Here we go. Salmon croquettes, everybody.
Yeah.
Salmon croquettes.
Really easy, simple. I didn't know how, and he came in here and taught me. Thank you. Learning new things. Love it.
You want to try one?
Oh, yes, sure. I'm going to try this little one. I'm so proud of this little one. I don't know why.
Take it in half so you can see the texture of them.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
Alright. Busting these noodles down. Here we go. This discard that pasta water. So, what you want to do with the mac and cheese, we're going to take this cheese and put it into the noodles itself. And then we're going to take this cheese and make a cream sauce, a cheese cream sauce. So you just want to just dump that in there.
Cooking is so fun when you have somebody that knows what they're doing, showing you everything you've been doing wrong.
Let me add a little bit of this extra virgin olive oil. That's for flavor and texture. So you see how everything's married together, got rid of all them clumps. Now it's time for the cheese. That cheese, just pour the whole thing in there. And once this melt, like a good melting, we're gonna pour this over that mac and cheese that we had made. So you just wanna even pour. That's how you make your cheese, mac and cheese deluxe. This together. And when this come out the oven, y'all gonna be like, ooh. Just like that, and that same pitch and everything. All right, here we go. Look at that. Look at that. You hear that bubbly? So I want to give it like 3 minutes, but this time we're gonna turn that broiler on just to let the top hit the mac and cheese just for like 2 or 3 minutes, just to give it that little extra little crust over the top.
Teach me something then.
I'm telling you. Look, y'all see that? Nice little crust on top. Woo! I'll show y'all what that cheese sauce do. Look at that. That's out the oven. Look, that's out
and it's still juicy.
That's out the oven. So everybody putting all your macaroni, I will put that to shame. Holla at J.Hill. I got the recipe. I got the real recipe for the mac and cheese, everybody. So we are going to plate. A little parsley. Just add a little look to it.
Bam!
There we go. There we go. Salmon, mac and cheese, green beans. He should be cooking. We in the kitchen, baby. We in the kitchen.
J.Hill be cooking. I be learning. Nisha be learning.
There we go. So you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Here we go. I do meal preps. I do personal self-care.
They can find you. But what's it called?
Oh, Mopley's Cuisine.
Alright. This is how you spell it, y'all.
You can find Mopley's Cuisine on Facebook, Twitter,
yeah, representing.
Instagram. There we go.
He sells plates, seasonings. Make sure you place your orders.
Shirts, hoodies.
Everything.
Everything. We got meal preps going on. At the beginning of 2018 is going to be a really, really, really big year for Mopley's Cuisine. So I'm going to try to stay tuned and just kind of keep watching what's going on. I suggest y'all hop on this bandwagon early because you don't want to be late when this.
I'm going to be the first one in class.
So, there we go.
And you can follow me everywhere at iTonishaBrown.
There we go.
Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe and share.
Subscribe and share. Needs to be cooking, y'all. Needs to be cooking. Vote, please. There we go.